I tried to laser engrave my own rubber stamp, and it took 7 tries and one very obvious mistake. Hey friends, it's Lucy with Anvil and Light. Today, we're engraving rubber stamps for business branding using the xTool P3. I wanted to make a custom stamp for my own product packaging, but honestly, I wasn't even sure if this was something you could or should be lasering. So I did some digging and learned pretty quickly that most rubber is a no-go for safety reasons. But there is an exception. During my research, I found this laser safe rubber stamp kit from xTool. It comes with 2 sheets of rubber, 2 wooden stamp bases, 2 ink pads, and a couple pieces of 3M adhesive. CO2 lasers were listed as compatible, and the demo video made it look pretty straightforward. So I figured, why not? Let's try it. First things first, I needed a design. Since this is for branding and packaging, it had to be my logo. The problem was, I didn't have a clean black vector version of it. I could have recreated it from scratch, but I didn't feel like doing that if I didn't have to. So I tried something else. I brought my logo into Kittle. I'm not sponsored. I just use Kittle a lot. And honestly, this is one of the reasons why. They have built in AI tools that can transform images really easily. And when I say easily, I mean, I barely tried. My prompt wasn't even finished. I accidentally hit enter too soon and just let it run. Different AI models give different results. For this one, I used Nano Banana Pro 4K, and this was the result. Yeah, I was impressed. After that, I converted the logo into an image so I could edit it. Then I removed the background. When I'm working on designs like this, I usually save both a PNG and an SVG. PNGs engrave really well, but you can't cut them. SVGs can be engraved and cut, so they're more flexible. Then I brought everything into Adobe Illustrator. To turn the design into something I could engrave and cut, I used Image Trace. I selected black and white logo, tracing result, black and white mode. Then I hit expand. That converts the image into an editable vector. After that, I went into the layers panel and deleted all of the white areas. There are a ton of ways to do this. This is just what works best for me. Always do what works best for you. Then I added a circle over the design, selected everything, and used Pathfinder, exclude, and boom, my stamp design was ready. Or so I thought. Quick pause. This is future Lucy talking to you. I didn't realize until after everything was done that I made a major mistake. I forgot to mirror the image. When you make a stamp, it needs to be reversed. I did not do that. So, yes, you're going to see my mistake later. Just stick around for that. Now for the fun part. We loaded the file into the xTool software, and there was an engraving preset for rubber, but no cut setting. So we guessed and adjusted and guessed again. Attempt 1, engraved, did not cut. Attempt 2, 5 passes, and it still didn't cut. By attempt 5, we were starting to question our life choices. We increased the engraving depth and ran the cut for 20 passes, and that did not turn out at all. Right when we were about ready to give up, it worked. We got it. I put the final settings on the screen if you want to try this out for yourself. Just remember, every machine and environment is different, so you may need to tweak things, but this is a solid starting point. Here are some of the earlier tries. We actually had to cut some of these out with scissors. Those are the orange ones. Attempt 1, not deep enough. Attempt 2, same problem. Attempt 5, crispy. Too crispy. We're just gonna set that one back down and pretend it didn't happen. And then the final one. This one looks great. Next, I attached the 3M adhesive. And just a side note, it's kind of wild that you get full sheets of rubber, but only 2 pieces of adhesive. So BYOA, bring your own adhesive. Just saying. And now, the moment of truth. Does it stamp? Yes. Yes, it does. Even backwards, which is entirely my fault. If this video helped you, I'd really appreciate you subscribing. It genuinely makes a difference for small channels. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.